Role of valuer. What is the valuer's duty? So the valuer, what the valuation is required the following purpose. He will use its valuation in this purpose only. What are they? Merger, acquisition, demerger, and takeover. Merger, two company are merging together. That is merger. Acquisition, one company is acquiring another company's acquisition. Demerger, one company is splitting into two. Demerger, takeover. The same like acquisition, but it is willingly. Here is forcefully. Slum sale, asset sale, IPR sale. They want to sell something, say they know the value of it. Conversion of debt and security. What they having debentures, they have issued debentures. Now they want to convert the debentures into shares, convertible debentures. What is the valuation in the next 5 years or next 20 years of converting a debenture into shares? Is it useful? Such a way. Capital reduction. So they want to reduce, they want to cross off the book's value and want to go for listing. For one listing, they want to show a fair value, not a overrated value that they have in the balance sheet. They can go strategic financial restructuring. They want to go for any kind of this merger, acquisition, demerger, takeover, slum sale, anything they want to go for that. They want to completely make their book legitimate, completely not cooking the book, making it legitimate so that they need valuators to evaluate the company. Is it good or bad?